Few things in life are as satisfying as a perfectly cooked steak. Juicy, tender, with that irresistible sear, it's a dish that can turn a simple dinner into something unforgettable. But here's the truth. You don't need a fancy restaurant or a professional chef to enjoy a steakhouse quality meal. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to cook the perfect steak at home. Step by step, from choosing the right cut to searing, basting, and serving it like a pro. Choosing your steak. First things first, the cut. Ribeye, strip steak, sirloin, filet mignon each has its own personality. Ribeye is marbled with fat, making it juicy and flavorful. Filet mignon is tender and elegant. Sirloin is leaner but still delicious. Whichever you choose, thickness matters. Aim for at least 1 inch thick. This gives you that perfect crust on the outside and juicy center inside. And here's a tip. Always let your steak come to room temperature before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly. Seasoning simplicity. When it comes to seasoning steak, less is more. Forget complicated spice blends. The key is salt and pepper. Pat your steak dry with paper towels, then season generously on both sides. Don't be shy. The salt helps build that crust, and the pepper brings subtle heat. Once seasoned, let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the salt to work its magic and draw flavor into the meat. To sear. Now comes the moment of truth to sear. Heat a heavy skillet, preferably cast iron, until it's almost smoking. Add a drizzle of oil, then place your steak in the pan. And here's the golden rule, don't move it. Let it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is how you get that deep brown crust full of flavor. Flip and repeat on the other side. Butter basting. Now for the chef's secret basting. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan, along with crushed garlic and a sprig of rosemary or thyme. Tilt the pan slightly and use a spoon to baste the melted, flavored butter over the steak. This adds richness, aroma, and that signature steakhouse taste. Just a minute or 2 of basting transforms your steak completely. Doneness and resting. Doneness is all about preference. Use a meat thermometer to be precise. Rare, 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, cool red center. Medium rare, 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, warm red center. Medium, 140 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, pink center. Medium well, 150 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, slight pink. Well done, 160 degrees Fahrenheit and above. Once it's done to your liking, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping every bite tender and juicy. And there you have it, the perfect steak cooked at home. A beautiful crust, juicy inside, and flavors that rival any restaurant. The best part? You did it yourself. With just a few simple ingredients and the right technique, you've mastered one of the most iconic dishes in the world. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more recipes, and comment below. How do you like your steak, rare, medium, or well done? Thanks for watching and happy cooking.